What's up, everybody, and welcome to DadGotParks. That's right, it's another unboxing from DadGotParks. This time we are unboxing the 50th anniversary box set. It was a limited edition set they had on Shop Disney. It's $499, but it's supposed to come with some super cool collectibles, and you know how I love collectibles. It has been so long since we pre-ordered this, they are all sold out now, that I don't even remember what comes in this. So you and I are gonna go ahead and go through this and see some surprises. I don't remember what's in here. The only thing I know is that the whole run is limited to 2,000 pieces. Check out that awesome 50th gold looking logo there. We have a gold embossed foil, not embossed, gold foil logo on the top, and it's that 50th blue color. Super awesome. Let's open it up. Oh, I love that magnetic clasp. Ooh, we have a note, a message. Video may not represent current theme park offerings, guidelines, or requirements, such as face coverings. Visit disneyworld.com/updates for important details. That's funny. Yeah, there's a video on the box, guys. Let's take a look at this. All right.
This is where the early planning is taking place for our so-called Disney World project. And believe me, it's the most exciting and challenging assignment we've ever tackled at Walt Disney Productions.
In 1971, a world born of impossible dreams opened its gates to millions of people. And through the years, it's become the place the whole world holds in its heart. Where you never have to grow up. Where memories made together last a lifetime. Where the power of magic ignites the joy within us all. In this amazing place, we've come to delight in big moments, small moments, and everything in between. During the past 50 years, so many impossible dreams have come true. But there are so many more to come as we kick off the next era. So join us now at the most magical place on Earth. Escape to magic of every kind. Surround yourself in brilliant new wonders and be a part of an event that will never be experienced again. Because our celebration is your celebration too. The Walt Disney World Resort 50th anniversary. The world's most magical celebration.
A box with a video. That's awesome. All right. So I guess this flips out. Oh, there's a book of some sort, it seems. It's a pop-up. How cool is that? Oh, I love that. That's awesome. Slide this guy out of the way. Okay. A Walt Disney World Retro 1971 license plate. I like that. What would Disney be without some postcards? Oh, it's like a postcard accordion. I guess you could rip them, but we have quite a few different scenes. It says Walt Disney World postcard on the back. But we've got Mickey and Minnie, it looks like Roy there. Fireworks over the castle throughout the years in different kind of settings. A Walt Disney World transportation ticket. This allows the guest unlimited use today and tonight of the Walt Disney World transportation system. And then there is also what looks to be a admission to Magic Kingdom and 11 adventures. These are replicas of the original tickets. It says adult $5.75. Oh my gosh, could you imagine Getting into Disney's for $6. All right, so we've got both of these. There's one in the middle here. Oh, there's some other stuff. All coupons in this book are good for any time during the Magic Kingdom Park's regular operating hours. Ticket books are on sale. Okay, so you got your one adult to the Magic Kingdom. And then you've got, oh, these are the e-tickets. Back in the day when Disney first opened, you had to buy a ticket to get on each ride. And the best ticket was the e-ticket. That was the one that got you on the good rides. So that would get you on Jungle Cruise, the Haunted Mansion, It's a Small World. A D ticket would get you to the Skyway, the Country Bear Jamboree, and the Hall of Presidents. All right. The C was Dumbo, Peter Pan, Snow White, Mr. Toad, Mad Tea Party, and the Explorer Canoes. I don't even remember Explorer Canoes. You could canoe around Disney. B was Main Street, the Shooting Gallery, Mike Fink Keelboats, and Swiss Family Robinson Treehouse. And the A ticket was the Omnibus, Streetcars, or Main Street Vehicles, or you could do the Carousel. Super cool. I don't want to drop these, but awesome tickets. Look at how cool these are. They're your different tickets. These are cool. It's like a little box of treasures. Oh, this is the map. This is the Disney World original park style map. Okay, let's open this bad boy up. Oh, it's like a poster with a map of the original attractions. Oh, that is neat. Let's see what they have on here. So we got the Jungle Cruise, we got the Tiki Room, the Poly is there, the Contemporary is there. Main Street, I see no Space Mountain, I guess because it was not when the park opened. Oh, 20,000 Leagues Under the Sea. I missed that ride. That was a cool one. Super awesome map. All right, this is a pretty heavy-duty, heavyweight medallion. It says Walt Disney World opening October 1971. It's got the original Mickey on there. Ooh. Dad likes cool little collectible things. That's awesome. What would Disney be without magnets? Love me some magnets. There's no way this is going on a car, but wow, that's cool. That is so retro looking. That is nice. And on the back, it has a little 50 Disney logo hanging out. Okay. It's a little book, I'm guessing. Feels bookish. We have a Disney World. Oh, it's a notepad. You could write notes in it. I would never do that. So far, pretty cool, but I don't know about $500 cool. Snow globe. Snow globe alert. Oh, and it's Orange Bird. Got some goo on it, which is odd, but Orange Bird Snow Globe. Cool. All right. A 1,000-piece puzzle of Walt pointing where Disney World is going to be. Like it. And the inside is like a nice soft black velvety foam. And I'm guessing, oh yeah. Boom. Layer number 2. Okay. We have a print with Walt and Mickey's partner statue and the new 50 castle in the back. Nice. We have a lanyard with a super nice 50 logo, blue and white and blue. And it is a pin trading card, I guess. And it has, I don't know, let's open it and see if there's anything on the other side, I guess. So this is like a pocket thing. Let me see. Nope, it's just a piece of cardboard. Okay. So we got that. Ooh, pins, guys. We got some cool, oh, I've never seen these pins. Limited release, 50th anniversary. Ooh, that is iridescent. That is, I would even say, sheeridescent. And a little bit of a, like a cut at the top of my card. I don't like that. But that's a nice pin. Very nice. And then we got 3 pins on this little sucker. So we've got the sheeridescent Mickey, a Walt Disney World, and then a white castle. I can plainly say I have not seen these pins in the parks. Ooh, another coin. Ooh, that is pretty. Look at that. That is a nice coin. It is super sheeridescent. It has all of the colors of the rainbow going on in it. Very nice. And it's in its own little coin collector area. All right. Standard button. The old retro button. Okay. Not jazzed about that. Ooh. Rando blue box. That's a Magicband, buddy. All right, let's see what this guy looks like. This box has nothing on it. Oh, wow. That is beautiful. Blue with gold 50s and this blue and gold band holder thing. Oh, that is gorgeous. Once again, that is a band I have never seen in the parks. A 50th Vinylmation in a box. I gotta open it. I do. I can't not open this. Yeah, we have to open it. It is not opening nicely for me. I don't want to mess up this box. I was quite the Vinylmation fan in my past. Okay, I did not destroy the box too badly. All right. Ooh, what do we got? What do we got? Is this just the regular 50 animation Vinylmations they have? Nope. It is a freaking gold Mickey Mouse Vinylmation. I don't know if this comes in the regular Vinylmation set or not. I would assume he is special. He is special to me. But wow, that's cool. You hang out there. And then I guess the final item is a very unique set of ears. I would try these on, but I'm not going to because my big fat head will stretch these and the wife would get really mad at me. But these are beautiful. They do not seem cheaply made. They have the stars on there. It's like a velvet. That's beautiful. What is that, velvet? Ah, these are nice. Okay, we'll put these here, and I think that's everything. Let me know in the comments, what do you think? Was this worth $500? Limited to 2,000 of everything. There's a lot of super cool stuff in here that I have never seen before. In my opinion, yes, this whole unboxing experience, the video, the coins, the Vinylmation figure, Magicband, limited ears, I feel like I got my value, so I'm happy. I want to put it all back together. We'll get a nice picture. I'm gonna take some pictures of all this stuff. Check my Instagram, because I'll put some of this stuff up on Instagram. And stay tuned, because Dad will be unboxing some more stuff and back in the parks live streaming and all that kind of stuff. Dad may spend way too much money on Disney collectibles, but one thing he doesn't do is an outro. So that's it. Bye.